Last month, I moved to a new city. I moved here for a new job. I came alone. My new apartment was small. It was empty and quiet. There were boxes on the floor. There were boxes on the bed. I didn't know anyone in this city. That first night, something small happened. I still remember it today. It was late in the evening. Outside, the city was dark. I sat on the floor of my new room. I looked at all the boxes. I felt very tired. But I couldn't sleep. The apartment was too quiet. I could hear every little sound. I could hear the clock on the wall. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I made some tea in the kitchen. I drank it slowly by the window. I looked down at the street. There were no people outside. There were only a few lights. I thought about my old home. I thought about my family. I thought about my old friends. They were all far away now. For the first time, I felt really alone. Maybe this was a mistake, I thought. Maybe I shouldn't be here. I turned off the light. I lay down on the bed. I closed my eyes. But my mind was busy. I couldn't stop thinking. Then I heard something. It was very soft. At first, I wasn't sure. I sat up and listened. It was music. Someone was playing music. It came through the wall. It came from the apartment next door. It was a slow, warm song. Someone was playing the piano. The music was quiet and gentle. It filled my empty room. I sat in the dark and listened. Slowly, I felt calm. The room didn't feel so empty now. The song was old. My grandmother used to play it. I hadn't heard it in years. I closed my eyes and smiled. For a while, I forgot my worries. Then the music stopped. The room was quiet again. But now the quiet felt softer. Soon, I fell asleep. The next morning, the sun came in. I felt better. I made some coffee. Then I heard a knock at the door. I opened it slowly. An old man stood there. He had short gray hair and round glasses. He smiled at me. "Good morning," he said. "I'm your neighbor, Mr. Lee." He gave me a small plate. On the plate were 2 warm cookies. "Welcome to the building," he said. I was surprised. "Thank you," I said. "That's very kind." Then I remembered the music. "Was that you last night?" I asked. "Was that your piano?" Mr. Lee smiled. "Yes, that was me," he said. "I hope it wasn't too loud." "No," I said quickly. "It was beautiful. It helped me sleep." I told him about the song. I told him about my grandmother. His eyes went soft. "Music brings people together," he said. "Even strangers." We talked for a long time. He told me about the city. He showed me the best coffee shop. He told me about a quiet little park. He told me funny old stories. That morning, the city felt smaller. It felt warmer too. After that day, we became friends. Every evening, Mr. Lee played the piano. And every evening, I listened through the wall. It became the sound of my new home. I was still far from my family. But I wasn't alone anymore. Now I know something. A new place feels cold at first. It feels empty and strange. But slowly, it becomes home. Sometimes, home is just one kind neighbor. Sometimes, it's one soft song through a wall. That was the story of my first night alone. Thank you for listening with me today. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe to Slow English Listening. A new English story is waiting for you every day. If you liked this one, watch my story about the night I missed the last train. It's another slow and easy story for you. Until next time, take care. Bye.